No, you're good. So because together we are stronger. Individually we are stronger. I remember every single phone count. Hello, my friends. Welcome to On Point with Rachel Turgerman. I'm so glad you can join us tonight. My friends, affordable healthcare coverage is extremely important, especially during these very critical times. Now, more than ever, especially because we're faced with the wrath and the hatred of COVID 19, we're faced with the fear of COVID and its very mysterious variants. Joining us tonight, we have somebody very special from Ambetter from Sunshine Health. Here she is, Gail Daley, our one and only Vice President of Operations, that's here today to talk to you about Ambetter from Sunshine Health, also about the open enrollment period, and guess what? Two more outstanding Ambetter healthcare plans that are extremely affordable. Welcome, Gail. How are you?
Great. Thank you, Rachel. Thank you for having me back. I had so much fun the last time I was here, and I'm
Thank
really
you.
happy to be back. Thank you.
Well, we're very happy to have you back. And obviously, now in the middle of the pandemic, we were hoping to say post-pandemic,
I
but we can't even
know.
say that because it's new variant. So we're glad to have you back. Before we dive into
Thank
the
you.
topic, Gail, I want you to, explain to all the viewers, for those that missed our first interview, what exactly is Ambetter from Sunshine Health?
So thanks again, Rachel. Ambetter from Sunshine Health is one of the largest health insurance marketplace plans in the state of Florida. We are located right here in your backyard in Plantation, Florida. That's where our corporate headquarters is located. And in addition, we have 18 offices throughout the state of Florida. So we're right here, we're very local. And the good news right now is that we are smack dab in the middle of open enrollment. Um, yes, it has been extended this year. So last year it was a shorter period. This year it goes from November 1st through January 15th. So you have an extra month to enroll, but I'm encouraging everyone, if you are not enrolled in health insurance marketplace, get enrolled today. Don't wait. Get yourself and your family covered today. And as vice president of operations for Ambetter from Sunshine Health, our commitment is to serve the community, to make sure that they have proper health insurance, and we're serving the community one member at a time. And we plan to do that through providing affordable healthcare coverage.
We love it. Thank you so much, Gail. And as I hear you speak, I want to address all our viewers, my friends. You just heard Gail tell you that we need you guys to enroll because the deadline is January 15th. And when you think about it, Gail, New Year's is almost here, you know?
This
So
year has flown. I don't know about you, Rachel, but it has gone really quickly. It
it
was
is.
just Halloween and then Thanksgiving, and Christmas is around the corner. So
It's around the corner.
holidays are in full blast. And before you know it, January 15th will have come and gone.
Absolutely. So we're encouraging everybody to go ahead. If you don't have affordable healthcare coverage, my friends, go ahead and enroll now, right after the interview. Let's put it that way. So let's talk a little bit about the health insurance marketplace, Gail. I mean, we've been seeing that all over the place, up on billboards. We hear it on the radio. We see it on TV. What exactly is the health insurance marketplace, especially now with the open enrollment period? And why, in your opinion, as the Vice President of Operations for Ambetter of Sunshine Health, why do people need to get their insurance now? Talk to us.
So, the health insurance marketplace was started back in 2013. That's the first open enrollment that happened for the 2014 year. So that's actually 2014 is the first year, but open enrollment started right before in 2013. And Ambetter from Sunshine Health has really been here from the inception. So we started enrolling in 2013. We've been here throughout the years. We've not come and gone as some plans have. We have been right here. And we have members that have been with us forever. What's happening now is that in 2021, the special enrollment period was extended. So outside of normal qualifying events, members could enroll in the special enrollment period even if they didn't have a qualifying event. And that went on up until August of this year. We don't know if that special enrollment period is going to carry on for 2022. So that's why it's super important to make sure that you don't miss that January 15th deadline, especially with the pandemic and with all the uncertainties. It's really good to make sure that your health care is covered and you have the peace of mind. You don't have anything to worry about. Um, one of the tenets of health insurance marketplace has always been and continues to be the fact that even if you have a pre-existing condition, that doesn't matter. You can still
Good.
get covered. And one of the things, the American Rescue Plan Act, which started in April of 2021, continues in 2022. So that means that Ambetter from Sunshine Health has some plans that could qualify um, members or potential members for $0 premium.
Wow.
So, yes, for qualified individuals, they may qualify for $0 premium plans. And we do have some of those. So, that's very exciting news.
That's extremely exciting. And my friends, again, I'm imploring upon you, if you don't have insurance yet, contact Ambetter from Sunshine Health and register now.
Yes.
Beat the January 15th deadline. You heard Gail say, we have the holidays right here. Before you know it, January 15th is here. So go ahead and register. Ambetter from Sunshine Health, your affordable healthcare coverage. Let's talk about the people that want to enroll, but again, they're very concerned about that premium. What do you have to say to them?
Well, the good news is the American Rescue Plan Act that I just mentioned, when that was enacted, it did a couple of things. So, number one, it provided health insurance marketplace coverage to more people than previous years. So, a lot of people that couldn't get it were now qualified or able to get it. The other thing is for those people that did qualify, it provided more assistance, so they were able to have lower premiums. So it really was very helpful in opening up the market to more people and making it more affordable for those
Good.
people. So it's really wonderful. It's in place for 2022, but it doesn't happen automatically. So you
Mm.
must go on to healthcare.gov and go and update your income information to see if you qualify for additional what we call premium APTC. So that's a advanced premium tax credits. And if you qualify for additional advanced premium tax credits, you can have lower monthly premiums. So that's super important. It will assist you by having lower monthly premiums.
I love it. And so,
Wonderful.
yeah, I love it. And so, Gail, so what I'm hearing, I want to make sure our viewers understand, if they already are in the healthcare marketplace, right? But they want to lower their premiums, you guys can help them as well. Is that correct?
Yes. So you can, as I said, it's really one of two things. You can go on healthcare.gov
Good.
and enter, put in your additional income information. Or
Okay.
if you're a member, you can call us and we can walk you through the process. The number is 1-877-687-1169. Press option 4. Option 4 is informing about purchasing a plan. And
Love it.
once you press option 4, there will be someone that will be able to help you and walk you through the process. Just let them know you're calling to find out if you qualify for lower, monthly premiums, and they will be able to help you through the process.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Gail. I'm sure a lot of our viewers are taking note. They're writing down the number and they're going to call.
Yes.
Now, I know I see a lot of your staff all over when either I go to the chamber meetings or I go to a special initiative to help the community. There's your staff. And I want to take this opportunity to give a big shout out to Suecia. Suecia, how are you? Big shout out to Suecia. She's on your staff. She is everywhere. You
Yes.
guys love our multicultural communities without a doubt. I'd like you to take a few seconds and tell our viewers or share with our viewers what are some of the community oriented resources that Ambetter from Sunshine Health, which you're at the helm as the Vice President of Operations, what do you give back to our community? Tell us.
Sure. We fully recognize that we provide the health insurance coverage for members, but that's members have other issues. There are other things that they're dealing with on a day-to-day basis. So if they have issues like maybe um, they need help in paying utility bills, or they have food need issues, or they have housing issues. Those issues, if they're not taken care of, we know that they can't focus on their health. So, because of that, we've partnered with over 400 community organizations, and they are there to provide that type of assistance, either giving information so that they can assist them through the process, or actually providing the assistance themselves. And this is called our Community Connections Helpline. I'll give you the number. It's 1-866-775-2192. And this is not just for our members, it's for anybody in the community that may need assistance with, whether it's housing, shelter, food, utility assistance. It's for anybody, not just our members. You can also just Google Sunshine Health Community Resources, and then enter your zip code, and you will be able to find the help that you need there as well.
Excellent. I love it. And viewers, I'm asking you to please take advantage. And what I love about Ambetter is that you're not just restricting all these community resources to just the members.
No,
Obviously, we're encouraging the community to enroll in Ambetter from Sunshine Health before January 15th deadline. But these resources, this connection line that you're talking about, community resource line, I'm going to ask production to try to find the number and put it up again.
great, thank you.
Yes, this number is so important because you can, like you said, Gail, food and affordable housing. And I want
So
to commend
important.
you. I want to take this opportunity to commend you on a personal level, Gail. I do know that you sit on the board of the Broward Habitat for Humanity, Broward County, and you are very concerned not only as the Vice President of Operations for Ambetter from Sunshine Health, but also sitting on the board of Broward on Habitat for Community and trying to, tackle this issue of affordable housing. I mean, this is
Affordable
incredible.
housing is critical. It is critical. You look around, you see the cost of housing right now. It is very important to be able to find not just housing, but affordable housing, and to be
So,
able to assist people with getting
so
that. Yes.
congratulations on that for having your heart where it counts, our
Thank
community. We love you, Gail.
you.
Okay, so let's go back to open enrollment of Ambetter from Sunshine Health. What are the plans within Ambetter from Sunshine Health? Do you have that are new, perhaps, that can help people again? Because the buzzword here is the premiums. People are concerned with the premiums. What new stuff do you have for our viewers? Talk to us.
Well, I'm really glad you asked that, because in 2022, we are launching two new plans, and it's to do just that, to help people save money while still providing comprehensive medical, mental health, substance abuse, $0 telehealth copays, and also My Health Pay rewards. Those are our member rewards. So great plans. I'm going to take a little time to go through them. I'll go through slowly
Please
because I
do.
want to make sure that everybody gets it.
Please do.
So the first plan is called, well, they're both called Select Portfolio and Value Portfolio. And I'll start with the Value Portfolio. That is our lowest cost plan.
Good.
And it is in Miami-Dade County only. It is anchored by the provider network that anchors these plans is Community Medical Group. It's also called CMG. It is a wonderful primary care group that has many locations throughout Dade County. What is unique about this plan is that you have to have a referral from that primary care group, CMG, to see specialists. So I want to make that distinction. This particular Ambetter value portfolio requires a referral to see your specialist. Not all specialists. So if you have like GYN visits, or if you need to go to a mental health or substance abuse visit, or of course, urgent care or emergency services, you certainly do not need a referral for those visits.
Good.
However, yeah, this one does need a referral. It is in Miami-Dade County only, and it is anchored by Community Medical Group. So that's the first. The second is Ambetter Select Portfolio. And this is offered in Miami-Dade and Broward counties. It is a tailored network, so it's a slightly smaller network than our typical core plan. And this one does not require a referral to see specialists. So very different, does not require a referral, slightly smaller network of providers, but the cost is lower than our core plan offering. And then finally, you have our core plan offering, which is offered in every county that we are currently in existence, and in existence for 2022, I'm sorry. And that's a plan that you've come to know and love. That's a plan that's been around from 2013, and it has the most comprehensive network of providers. So those are the 3 plan offerings. 2 are new in 2022. And we are so excited because we're able to offer this at a lower cost, both
I
the
love
value
it.
and the select.
I love it. Well, let's take a few seconds to thank all of our advertisers, and we'll be right back with you, Gail. How's that?
Great. Thank you.
So we'd like to begin, of course, with Jose Milton Foundation. Thank you, Anna Vega Milton, President and CEO, for all the altruistic work you do. Thank you for building the new Jose Milton Memorial Hospital, Jackson Memorial Hospital West, for your amazing work with the Red Cross, scholarships for our youth, and the list goes on. Jackson Health Foundation. A big shout out to co-president Charmaine Gatlin, Flavia Yiso, and their stellar team for doing an outstanding job in raising funds for the best hospital throughout our nation, Jackson Health System, making miracles every day. Catholic Hospice and Catholic Palliative Care Services. A big shout out to our Executive Director, Diane Backoff, Medical Director, Dr. Tracy Romanello, Dr. Rochelle Clark, Director of Organizational Integration and Patient Experience, and Jessica Joseph, Manager of Philanthropy and Public Relations, and their awesome team. Thank you for preserving comfort and dignity for people that are very ill and their family members. Synovus Bank, a big shout out to Armando Trabanco, Regional Retail Manager for Southeast Florida. In business for more than 130 years, Synovus is a financial service company that came from humble beginnings in Georgia. For more information about Synovus products, services, and locations, please visit www.synovus.com. United Home Care. A big shout out to Carlos Martinez, President and CEO. Another big shout out to Jose Fuentes, Chairman of the Board, Alina Palenzuela, Marketing Director and Executive Assistant to the President, and of course, Blanca Ceballos, as well as the rest of their entire team. Thank you for keeping our older adults home with excellent healthcare services, because there's no place like home. Ambetter from Sunshine Health, coverage you can afford, care in your area, and on a mission to get the health insurance that you deserve. Frida Akasan Arsadan, our Asian American healthcare hero, invites other multicultural healthcare heroes to promote unity, understanding, respect, and tolerance among all. Marie Torreson, CPA, business owners, she will grow your business exponentially with a 360-degree view of your financial and operational performance. Call and make an appointment. Global Ovid Day Seminary and University, known as GodZoo, empowering entrepreneurs to become financially independent to transcend into generational prosperity. Also earn your chaplaincy or cybersecurity certification. Contact GodZoo. Meet Elisa Billiard, your corporate and personal psychologist and psychotherapist, to solve your business and personal hurdles. Give her a call and effectuate positive change. Jewish University System. A big shout out to founder Dr. Jorge Alfonso and Lucy Alfonso, President and CEO. Now you can earn your doctoral degree in education, psychology, or sociology with religious modifiers. Contact Jewish University System. Metro Mommy Agency for all your pregnancy support. Before, during, and after Call Metro Mommy Agency. They provide childbirth education, labor support, doulas, breastfeeding support, night nurses, and the list goes on. With Metro Mommy Agency, you can birth better and begin parenting with confidence. Light of the World Clinic, thank you, Elaine Marcela Vasquez, brainchild of Light of the World Clinic, for providing free healthcare services to economically disadvantaged families in Broward County, Florida. Again, a special thank you to all of our VIP advertisers. All your services are beyond magnificent. So, Gail, back to you. We're talking about these two amazing portfolios, value portfolio and select portfolio, and of course, your core Ambetter from Sunshine Health plans. We know we can get affordable health care. That we know. What about the services? Are they any good? Talk to us.
Absolutely. Regardless of which plan you select, you have comprehensive coverage. You have preventive health, wellness services, maternity, newborn care. I said mental health, substance abuse, prescription drug coverage, really soup to nuts. And it's offered regardless of which plan you select, you will get the same comprehensive medical benefits for each. Also, the trusted group of providers that we have contracted includes hospitals, physicians, independent labs, diagnostic facilities, urgent care centers, emergency centers. It is a wide range of trusted partners that we have contracted with to provide care to you.
I love it. You have everything. You have everything, and I also think you have a dental, right? Dental as an option, and
For the
vision.
yes, for the core plan, you can always get not just dental, but dental and vision added on to that core benefit plan.
So, my friends, you heard Gail, Vice President of Operations from Ambetter from Sunshine Health. If you don't have insurance, beat the deadline. The deadline is January 15. Go ahead and enroll tonight or tomorrow, but do it. So, Gail, you mentioned earlier about zero copay for telehealth. Can you please expand on that, number one? And also, what do you think? I mean, do we still need to go and visit our doctors? Talk to us.
We absolutely do need to go and visit our doctors. Um, there are certain things like your routine wellness checkup that you will always need to go and see your primary care doctor to get done. As a matter of fact, in the last couple of years, a lot of people have missed those wellness checkups. So if you're one of those people who just never got out to do this, I think now is a great time to get that done.
It's so
Um,
true.
During the pandemic, as you know, a lot of people were, myself included, not wanting to leave the house, especially in the heights of the pandemic.
I'm one of
And
them.
yes, I think we all were. And there were thousands of doctors during this period that signed up for telehealth, and hundreds of members who previously didn't know what telehealth was or didn't like the thought of doing telehealth visits. Hundreds and hundreds of members signed up. So this was a wonderful opportunity to continue getting care, but getting care right in the comfort of your home. And this was either through a telephone or a video conference. There were a lot of options available to have this telehealth visit performed. So it was really wonderful. And Ambetter telehealth provides $0 copays. So it's anytime, anywhere medical services with $0 copays.
I love it. Anytime I hear zero copays, I love it. And I'm sure our viewers are saying, hey, that's right. Go ahead, Gail, tell us zero copay. That's outstanding. So we're hearing that Ambetter from Sunshine Health is doing a fantastic job with giving us affordable healthcare coverage. I'm also aware, I don't know if any of our viewers know, that Ambetter from Sunshine Health awards for healthy behaviors. What are your thoughts on that?
This is like the one of the favorite things that I like to talk about, and it's called our My Health Pays Rewards. And this is a program that offers up to $500 for members to just do healthy behaviors and healthy activities. So, what am I talking about? Healthy activities could include anything from moving, running, walking, eating right, just really doing things that you know you should be doing anyways, right? And then
Absolutely.
healthy behaviors is going and getting your wellness checkup or having your mammogram done. So, for these activities, we do recognize when members do this and reward them up to $500 per member. And then the members can turn around and use that to help to pay their co-pays and deductibles. So it's just a wonderful program all around.
And it's insane. It's almost like what you're doing, and correct me if I'm wrong, you are actually giving us money to use for our copay or deductibles if we decide that we want to be, healthy. And the
Yes,
only way we're going to decide to be healthy is that we have to change our habits. When it comes
exactly.
to eating, I know there's a lot of health people out there that are very conscientious, but let's face it, I love my burgers and my fries and everything else. But once I join Ambetter, for sure, I'm going to make sure that I get those $500 because it's going to
Right?
help me, right? With deductibles and my co-payments. And at the same time, you're going to get me off my chair. I'm leaving. You're going to get me off my chair and I'm going to get on my treadmill, which I haven't, I'm not using, and
And
so
it's taking baby steps, Rachel. It's not,
exactly.
you don't have to become a marathon runner. It's just taking baby steps in the right direction, in eating right and in exercising, moving your body to really promote good health.
I love it. Thank you. Thank you. And as Vice President of Operations from Ambetter from Sunshine Health, I mean, you are at the helm. Your leadership is showing. You are coming through for all our diverse communities. There aren't enough words in the dictionary, Gail, to tell you thank you on behalf of the millions of people that are in Dade County and Broward. We really appreciate what you're doing with Ambetter from Sunshine Health. On that note, let me see if I understand this correctly. The deadline is January 15th, correct?
Correct.
Now, if some people like to procrastinate, which we're not encouraging that, we're not encouraging
No,
anybody
we're
to
not.
procrastinate. Okay, we're asking everybody to go ahead and join tonight or tomorrow, but do it way before January 15th. But let's suppose for people like to do that at the end. So if they enroll like the first 2 weeks in January, right? And they use some of your healthcare services, will Ambetter from Sunshine Health still cover the healthcare services? Talk to us.
The answer is that's a very good question, and the answer is yes. Yes, we will. So if
Good.
you enroll, if you sign up between January 1, let's say January 1 and January 15th, you have until January 30th to make that payment
Good.
for the month of January.
I
And
love it.
for eligible services, any eligible services, we will go and retroactively um, pay for those services.
Love
So
it.
we've got you covered.
Yes, you do. You certainly do. Well, Gail, unfortunately, we're running out of time. I want to thank you so much for coming back to On Point Rachel Turgerman, educating all our viewers, especially now that deadline is almost here. Where can they reach Ambetter, to enroll? What do they have to do again? Talk to us.
So a couple of things. The easiest way is to give us a call at 1-877-687. It's on the screen, 1169, or visit us at ambetter.sunshinehealth.com. ambetter.sunshinehealth.com. And we understand that, navigating through the health insurance realm can be confusing at times, but
Absolutely. And I need to stop you there because you have made it so simple for all of us. I, for
thank
one,
you.
insurance is very hard to comprehend. It's just a lot of different intricacies about it. But you have just come onto On Point Racial Turgidman and you have made it so simple for all of us. And for that, we thank you
Thank
enormously,
you.
Gail.
Thank you. Thank you, Rachel.
Is there a last minute message that you would like to leave all of viewers with tonight? Tell us.
If you have any questions, go ahead and call us. We are here we're here all 7 days a week from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. We have people that can answer the phone and answer all of your questions. If you have questions concerning how to sign up or any benefit questions, we're there to answer. The important thing is to make sure that you get yourself covered and that you get your family covered before the January 15th deadline. If you want to have a January 1st effective date, sign up and get covered in December so that you can have that January 1st effective. If you wait until January 15th, we will still cover you as long as you pay by the end of the month, by January 30th. So please don't miss that January 15th deadline. Get yourself covered, get your family covered, have the peace of mind. This pandemic is not over. Have the peace of mind that you have health insurance and you don't have to worry about that.
Absolutely, Gail. Thank you so much, Gail, for imploring upon all our viewers tonight. If you don't have insurance, healthcare coverage, get it now. Ambetter from Sunshine Health is here to help you and help you get healthy. And in addition to that, pay you for getting healthy.
Yes.
I mean, it's a win-win scenario all around.
Win-win.
Gail, thank you so much. Happy holidays to you. Lots of wonderful things. And we look forward to having you back next year on Point with Rachel Turgerman.
Thank you.
Thank you. We love you. And to all of viewers, thank you so much for joining us tonight. You've heard Gail speak, Vice President of Operations, Ambetter from Sunshine Health. Go ahead and enroll. Do not wait to January 15, which is the deadline. Go ahead and enroll. And to all of viewers, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, On Point with Rachel Turgerman, and share this interview with your family and friends. Let's give them all peace of mind to purchase, to enroll, to get good quality, affordable healthcare insurance. Keeping informed and staying connected allows all of us to make the right decisions. God bless you all. Happy holidays and stay healthy and safe. Bye-bye for now. No, you're good.